Hi guys, so here is the next set of problems. So we have to factor the top. So the top is what times what gives us 12. That adds to 7. And that's x plus 4 and x plus 3. The bottom here will be the difference of two squares, so x plus 4 and x minus 4. Okay. Wholes are what we have in common on top and on bottom. Since we have those two, we do x plus 4 equals 0. Solve again for x. Subtract 4, so we get x equals negative 4. Okay. Vertical asymptote is whatever is left over on the bottom. So we take x minus 3, set that equal to 0. Add 3, add 3. So x equals 3. Horizontal asymptote. So remember, we're going to go back to the original. The degrees match here. So understood 1 on top and bottom. So my horizontal asymptote is at 1. Okay. Here, again, we're going to do the same thing. I cannot factor because 8, there's nothing that will make 8 to give me 3. So we can't factor the top. So we're going to leave it alone. So right there, we know we do not have a hole. Factor out 8 here, and it's what times what gives me negative 8, or 8 that subtracts to give me to 2, and it's a positive 2, so it'll be x plus 4 and x minus 2. So x plus 4 equals 0. Subtract, so x equals negative 4, and x plus minus 2, like I said, oopsies, and then add 2 to both sides. Yes, you can have two vertical asymptotes, so negative 4 and 2. And again, we look here, we have a common factor, degree on top and bottom, so the answer is 1. This problem talks about being above x-axis. Okay, and above the x-axis is from here up. So negative 7 to negative 6.5. This is below. And if you notice, everything is pretty much below except for that little piece. Okay, so that would be from negative 6.5 all the way to 7. Domain, pretty much how far left do we go? And we go all the way to negative 7. And how far right do we go? 7. How often does the line y equal negative 3 we cross? Draw your line here, and we cross at it 2 times. Okay. When does f of x equal 0? So when do we touch the x-axis? So we touch it here. Do not forget, there's not a dot. Could you make one? Yes. Now we have a dot, right? So we have it at negative 6.5, negative 5. And we don't forget this one all the way over here at 7. Okay, f of 1, you go to where the graph is. And what's that y value? Negative 6. Okay, increasing versus decreasing. Hold on. Okay. So here we go. We're going to start. And notice we're going down. So this becomes decreasing. Then we go up. So we're increasing. Oops, increasing. Then we're going down. And then we're going up. Okay. So increasing, we look at the blue line. So that's going to be from negative 6 all the way to negative 5. And notice here from 1 all the way to 7. Okay. Decreasing, we have this little piece right here. So from -7 to -6. And then from, we're doing this color, and then -5 all the way down to 1. Okay. I wish you luck on your test, quiz. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.